Like, share, and subscribe. Hey, we're back at it. If you want to make money, this is how you do it. Grandpa's in the green. We're going to take and turn this 100,000 into 200,000. We're going to see how long it takes. Or will Grandpa go to zero? I'm going to do a live stream every few hours and we'll find out whether Grandpa's going to double it. I think I can double it in probably 2 or 3 months, and I'm excited to see. So we will see. Currently, I should probably change this because they are buying down at 217.60 area. 400 shares per blink, and they they paused it now, but they've gone there like 3 times in the last hour and a half, 2 hours, and they're also blinking down at 212.70. So that tells Grandpa that we're very, very likely going to see 217 before this day is over. If especially if they start blinking at 217.60 again. And if not, 214 or even the 213 area, which will be just fine with Grandpa. On the upside, they are blinking, of course, at 229, and they've been just about blinking there all day. When they want to pull it up, they're also blinking at 226. You're going to see 226. If not today, tomorrow. We already seen 226.99 in the pre-market before Grandpa could trade, or he would have a lot less shares. Right? Well, I would have sold them all and rebought, but I couldn't because this simulated thing I'm on only trades from 9:30 to 4 p.m. You can't trade after hours with it. So I'm a little bit restricted, but we'll deal with it. Regular substance, that's where the market makers have bought and sold. That's up at 280. You want to sell where the market makers sell, and you want to buy where the market makers buy. 280 is the top side of the substance currently. 269 is also, that's the bottom side of the main substance, but we have substance right now at 227 to 230 areas is solid substance, and the only reason it really matters because it is going to go to 269 and then 280 is if you want to catch a dip. If you're long and you want to take a chance and dump some shares in the 227, 229, 230 area and hope for a dip and rebuy a little bit less, that would be the only thing. And average down a little bit maybe, right, or take some profit. But right now, yeah, the 217 paused. Well, we're 217 times 1, of course, but we're also 213 times 1. Buying, they're buying. When they're buying down below, it pulls it down, and vice versa. Um, hey, I'll go through my candle charts with you quick. So the 5 minute, we're just moving straight sideways. This thing is range bound between what? Oh, about the 219 to 221. Well, but we'll spread it out here a little bit. So 221.50 down to the 219.50. So $2 spread there, and we're moving sideways, but she'll break, and that's a fact. Here it's a little easier to look at. So we got actually the 220 area. Man, this thing is tight. To 221.50 area. She's in $1.50 range. Wow. So anyway, that's what it appears to be doing, and it's just a question if it breaks up or down. I think they've taken out a few stop losses today. A few people got caught going long, and well, Grandpa's long. But Grandpa's not worried because Grandpa knows stuff about blinking. That's the facts. Blinking is really good to know. Oh, let's see. What time is it? 11:30. I don't know. I wonder when I started this thing. I should have remembered. Okay, so I don't think I started it that long ago. If I could read, I'd tell you when I started it, but I can't see. Okay, so anyway, what do we got? 30-minute chart, we have a sell signal all day long. Hourly is a sell signal, and it's a pretty one too. That's usually good for $7 to $12 area in a movement. That could get us down to that 214. I'm hoping it goes 214, by the way, because I have, in my real accounts, I have buys down there. And I sold a bunch up top. So, okay. What am I looking at? 4-hour chart. 4-hour chart. How old is this candle? We need to know that. Well, let's look at this one. I'll get a clue. That one's 5 a.m. This one is 9 a.m. And it is currently 11:30. 2.5 hours. Well, it looks like this thing's going to be red. That would mean we'll have a sell. If this candle stays red, we have a sell signal in the 4-hour. That would bring us down to the 212 area. Very possibly. My pretty Japanese candles. The daily chart, however, says that we're going up to 229, where they're constantly selling up there at 229. Let's see, did they sell above 229? Yeah, in the pre-market only. 315 bucks, 232.20, and 254.30 was real prevalent in the pre-market. And just gives you an idea where it's going to go. So you guys keep track now. Everybody keep track. How long is it going to take Grandpa to double his money? Just check in and see where I'm at on the chart. Grandpa's looking better today. I sold some up in the 225.50 early on today, and 225, and I rebought them. And that's all I'm doing is just goofing around here a little bit. So when they pause the selling on the top, I sell a few, and if they pause it on the bottom, I do the vice versa thing. So, okay, thank you for caring. And hey, let's look at the weekly real fast. Weekly, oh, by George, well, it's Monday. We got a start of a green candle. Now, we're not going to know if this thing is really green until towards the end of Wednesday at best. But if this is green, we're going to 280 in a fast hurry. A matter of fact, we're going to 280 either way. But these guys can just do a bull flag up to 280. 280's right here. This is a bull flag right here. Okay? And then she goes down, and we can easily get a bull flag up to 280, take it out. They'll have all their short positions activated then between 269 and 280. And then you're going to see 101. And I'm telling you, Grandpa believes that we're going to see 101. Might be February, might be March, but you're going to see it. You're also going to see 320 and beyond, but that's all I know about that. Okay, so remember, Grandpa knows stuff, and you watch Grandpa make $100,000 here over the next couple months. You might believe in the blinking. I think you will. Okay, all good things are from the Lord. God bless you. And Jeff, I hope you're having fun out there fishing. And Pastor Keith is going to a revival, and he's going to climb up on that pulpit and tell them about Jesus. And I think that's a good thing. He's a really good speaker and a good pastor, and he knows his stuff. 217.62 is blinking times 4 again. This thing is coming down in a quick hurry. She's blinking fast. 217.62 is in your very near future. Remember that. Okay, bye-bye.